The map of the Middle East is no longer a political boundary. It is a casualty ward. As we speak in 2026, the trajectory between the United States, Israel, and Iran has shifted from shadowboxing to a full-scale kinetic fracture. The recent Iranian missile swarms weren't just attacks, they were stress tests for the global system. And the system failed. When a hypersonic strike bypasses a multi-billion-dollar defense grid, the illusion of safety dissolves. You see the headlines and feel the fear, but a forensic survivalist sees the math. This isn't just a war over there. It is the trigger for a systemic failure in your own backyard. The supply chains you rely on are not built for resilience. They are built for efficiency. And efficiency is a luxury of peace. While the masses are glued to news feeds, waiting for a government update that will never come, the 1% are securing the inventory that vanishes in the first 120 minutes. Most preppers are stocking for a movie. We are stocking for a forensic reality. In the next few minutes, we will conduct a clinical autopsy on the modern city. We will identify the 9 specific assets that cease to exist the moment the sirens scream. If you believe your gold, your crypto, or your desire watch will save you, you are already dead. In a state of attrition, physics and utility are the only gods left. This is the protocol for the end of the grid as we know it. Unit 01, the biological leash. Prescription medications. The most immediate cause of death in an urban collapse isn't violence, it's biology. Your pharmacy is the first point of systemic failure. In 2026, 90% of chronic medications, insulin, blood pressure regulators, psychiatric stabilizers, depend on a cold chain logistics network. The moment the grid is a corpse, that chain breaks. Within 48 hours, digital records become inaccessible. Your pharmacist cannot verify your identity, and your insurance provider becomes a ghost in a dead server. A 30-day emergency supply is no longer a suggestion. It is a biological necessity. You need a formal emergency letter from your physician today. Without it, you are a prisoner of a failing infrastructure, counting down the days until your internal systems follow the grid into the grave. Unit 02, kinetic fuel, stabilized energy. People rush for car fuel to flee, but they forget the fuel that keeps their environment alive. Generator fuel, specifically stabilized gasoline or propane, becomes the ultimate currency in a prolonged conflict. But here is the forensic detail. Raw gasoline is a ticking clock. Without chemical stabilizers, your fuel supply degrades into unusable sludge within 30 days. Most preppers own the machine, but ignore the chemistry. In 2026, a generator without stabilized fuel is just a heavy, expensive piece of scrap metal. If you aren't stocking the stabilizer alongside the liquid, you aren't preparing, you're just delaying the dark. Unit 3, the failure of large bills, micropayments. The grid is a corpse, and your digital wallet is buried with it. In the immediate aftermath of an Iranian strike or a domestic cyber attack, electronic payments cease. The value inversion occurs instantly. A $100 bill becomes functionally worthless because no merchant can provide change. We have seen this pattern in Lebanon, in Bosnia, and in the fractured streets of Ukraine. Small denominations, bills under $10, and physical coins are the only tools that facilitate exchange when the system is blind. Gold is for the rebuild, but small cash is for the survival of the first month. Keep your currency waterproof, keep it physical, and keep it small. Unit 4, the data dead zone, offline navigation. Your smartphone is a structural coffin for your intuition. We have become a species that cannot navigate a 3-mile radius without a satellite link. In a 2026 kinetic event, cellular networks spike by 600% within seconds before saturating and dying. If your maps aren't downloaded for a 50-mile radius tonight, you are blind in your own city. Download the tiles while the connectivity still exists. Use SMS text. It queues in the background while voice calls fail. If you rely on the cloud for your direction, you will find yourself walking straight into the fracture. Unit 5, Mechanical Utility, the manual alternative. The modern human has outsourced every survival skill to a battery. This is a fatal dependency. Manual can openers, hand-cranked mills, and mechanical timepieces are the first things to disappear from stores because almost nobody owns them anymore. In a world where the power is gone, a $2 manual tool possesses more practical utility than a $2,000 laptop. Identify every task in your home that requires a plug. If you don't have a manual way to perform that task, you don't own your life. The grid owns it. Unit 6, the pathogenic trap, sanitation. This is the clinical reality that most avoid, but the forensics of survival demand it. When the pumps lose electricity, city water pressure vanishes in less than 8 hours. Toilets stop flushing. In a high-density urban environment, this is a biological bomb. Disease kills more people than bullets in every documented urban conflict. You need a 2-week supply of heavy-duty waste bags and chemical neutralizers. It is the least glamorous part of prepping and the most vital. If you cannot manage your waste, you are creating a structural coffin for yourself and your family. Unit 7, Knowledge Attrition, the physical library. The most underestimated loss is information. Every how-to guide on your YouTube playlists will be erased the moment the fiber optic cables are severed. Trauma care, mechanical repair, medication dosing. If it isn't printed, it doesn't exist. You need a curated physical library. In 2026, a printed first aid manual is more valuable than a library of unplayable digital files. Knowledge is the only asset that doesn't add weight to your pack, but only if you have secured it before the silence starts. Unit 08, Cognitive Cohesion, the psychological buffer. Survival is a mental calculation. Under sustained stress, your decision-making degrades. This is not emotional weakness, it is a measurable biological decline. Comfort items, a specific brand of coffee, books, toys for your children are not luxuries. They are tools to maintain cognitive cohesion. If you lose your mind, your gear is useless. A functional family unit needs a sense of normalcy to avoid the downward trajectory of panic. Unit 09, the analog shield, signature management. The final asset that vanishes is your invisibility. In a city where the grid is dead, light and sound are beacons for the desperate. Most people stock flashlights but forget blackout curtains. They stock generators but forget the sound-dampening enclosures. In the forensic autopsy of a failed neighborhood, the first houses to be breached are the ones that broadcasted their resources to the street. You need the tools to manage your physical signature: thermal blankets to mask heat, heavy fabric to block light, and low-decibel protocols. If you can be seen, you can be targeted. Silence is the ultimate utility. The final calculation, the choice. The situation between Israel, Iran, and the West is not a distraction, it is a warning shot. The system is fragile, the grid is vulnerable, and the time for perhaps has passed. You are now standing at the edge of the trajectory. You can remain part of the machine and be buried when it fails, or You can master the machine and survive. Share this briefing with one person you refuse to leave behind. Master the machine, or the machine will bury you. Subscribe to survive. This is the last log.